say these simple 5 words every day, you can manifest exactly what you desire. This technique is guaranteed the only technique, the only key to unlocking all of your dreams and desires into reality. Manifestation is very simple, no matter what other manifestation gurus have been telling you. If you understand the core concept of manifestation, you will be able to literally attract every dream and every desire into your life. Alright, let's talk about something pretty cool. You know, there's a quote in the Bible that always sticks with me. To those who have, more is given. The irony is that the core principle of manifestation runs parallel with the law of attraction, whose core principle is that you attract what you think and feel. I always thought Jesus might have been onto something, almost like he was ahead of his time with quantum physics, maybe even better at it than Einstein. So, what does that quote mean? Well, if we dive into quantum physics, there's this thing called the observer effect. 2 scientists are looking at the tiniest particles that make up everything around us. One scientist is focused, paying close attention. When he does that, those tiny particles become solid, turning into matter that we can see and touch. Those same particles can just spread out into energy, almost like they disappeared there, but not really. It's like playing fetch with a dog. You throw the ball and it's gone, but as soon as you call for it, it comes right back. So, back to the quote. To those who have, more is given. It's kind of like saying when you know something is yours, when you're sure of it, more of it comes to you. But when you focus on what you don't have, it just slips away. Now here's the fun part. How do we use this idea to get what we want? Think about something specific you want, and now just say these 5 simple words. Thank you for hearing me. That's it. It's about knowing, feeling, and believing that what you want is already yours. When you do that, you open the door for more to come your way. If you want to move mountains, don't just say, please, mountain, move for me. It's not about begging and pleading. It's all about confidence. It's the key that Jesus tried to convey through the Bible. He already knew the answer was coming. When you say, thank you for hearing me, it's like observing something, it brings it into reality. When you're not looking, things go from being solid to just energy waves, and they disappear. Saying, thank you for hearing me, is like the observer effect. It turns energy into physical form. On the other hand, if you're always asking and pleading, you're basically saying you don't have it yet, which just pushes it further away. Think about it. Energy isn't created or destroyed. It just changes form. The form it takes depends on the observer and their consciousness. So, when you say, thank you for hearing me, you're bringing what you want into your reality. Here's what I want you to do for the next 30 days. Pick one specific thing you want and make thank you for hearing me your mantra. All day long, say, thank you for hearing me. Usually, we want something but then keep looking around for proof that it's not here yet. That's like saying, why can't you hear me? Which means you're in a state of not having it, and that pushes it away. Instead, focus on knowing it's already on its way to you. Listen to me. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for things. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your deepest desires. Gratitude is key here because it shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you already do, making your life richer and more fulfilling. The more grateful you are, the more life gives you reasons to be grateful. It's like a positive cycle. When you focus on what you want and truly believe it's already yours, you start to attract it into your life. Gratitude is super important in this process because it helps shift your mindset from feeling like you're lacking something to feeling abundant. When you're thankful for what you already have, you're telling the universe that you appreciate and value the good things in your life. Alright, let's break this down into a simple technique. Just before you go to bed, instead of counting sheep, keep repeating, "Thank you for hearing me." When you do this, you enter a state where your conscious mind shuts off, giving you direct access to your subconscious mind, which controls 95% of your life. This is a powerful time because your brainwaves slow down and you move into a hypnotic state, making it easier for new information and goals to sink in. When you think about something you want, it's already out there, vibrating at a frequency you can't see yet. We call it not real, but it does exist in the quantum field. When you say, "Thank you for hearing me," it starts to become real. Like I said earlier in the video, for the next 30 days, keep repeating, "Thank you for hearing me," over and over. And here's what I like to do. Add the things or repeat my desires along with the gratitude mantra. For example, if I want a beautiful car, maybe a dream car that I've always wanted to buy but haven't been able to for various reasons, I say, "Thank you for hearing me and granting me my dream car." That's it. I keep saying that every day, every time I'm free or there's nothing important running through my mind. I just keep repeating, "Thank you for hearing me and granting me my dream car." And the miracles this simple change has brought into my life are so unreal and magical. But trust me, when we show gratitude for the things we desire, as if we already have them in our lives, we attract all of them into our lives. This whole universe runs on energy, and we all know how the law of attraction and manifestation works. It's so magical to witness something like that in life. Now, if you want to reprogram your subconscious along the way, you can play some frequency music in the background before you fall asleep. You can find any bedtime soft music on YouTube, and while it plays in the background, it will help bring what you want into physical form. You connect to the universe on a whole new level. And I'm not kidding, here it may sound skeptical or unreal, but trust the process. When you truly feel grateful, it creates a state of consciousness that sends real electrical signals in your brain and physiological responses in your body. Even if what you want hasn't shown up yet, you'll feel like it's already on its way. It's just a matter of time for the rest of the world to catch up. The more you believe it's coming, the more you start to see evidence of it around you. It's like the universe is rearranging itself to bring your desires into reality. It aligns with the idea that to those who have, more is given, because you're expressing gratitude as if it's already here. Now, here's some good news for those of you who find all of this very tedious or can't stay consistent. Just save this video and play the second half every morning and every night, and repeat every word that I'm about to share. So, are you ready to change your life completely? Well, if you've made it to the end of this video, I'm sure you're ready for this magical transformation in your life. So, let's get started. Repeat with me. Everything I want already exists. Write down what you're grateful for, like, "Thank you for hearing me. The money's coming. Thank you for hearing me. My housing problem is solved. Thank you for hearing me. A new house is coming. Thank you for hearing me. A new car is coming. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for the abundance and love. Thank you for the good health. Remember, your words and thoughts are powerful. By consistently affirming, you're aligning yourself with the frequency of your desires. That's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you in the next one, and thank you for hearing me.